Hey y'all, Papa here. Well, if y'all watch my Outdoors with Papa channel, y'all see that I unboxed a fuel sending unit for my boat. Well, this is it. Alright, so we're fixing to get this put on this boat so that I can see how much gas I got. That way I don't run out again. Alright, I don't know how good y'all can see this. Let's go in through here. See how rusty? There we go. See how rusty that sending unit is? Alright, well, for some reason my camera didn't start recording whenever I set y'all down on top, and I just now realized it. So, let me show you what I done. Alright, we got the new unit in there. Kind of hard to see it because of the sun. But there it is. The new unit's in. We pulled the old one out. That's it right there. And you can see how bad rusted it was. The top was coming off of it. So I need to drain this tank and get all that old gas out because I know there's some water in it. But we just pull it out, slid the new one down in there with the gasket, tighten it down. I'm going to come back and put some silicone around the edges of it because the top of this tank kind of dips in a little bit, and I don't want water setting up there and seeping into my tank. So we're going to put some silicone around it, and then we got to wire it up. It's a 2-wire system. It's going to be real easy to hook up. We'll hook it up to our existing wires. All right, everybody. So, I still got to clean this boat off and everything too. I'm running out of time. So we're just going to redneckify this. Electrical tape and liquid electrical tape. And of course, whenever you do it this way, you got to have a little bit more wire exposed. There's that. We'll twist them together. Bend your stiffest wire back over itself. In this case, it's the wire that I ran a couple of years ago. Your electrical tape. And when you tape these up, damn sure don't want them to touch. It's not like these are really short out, but I mean they will, and they'll make it where it won't read right. Leave our tape hanging. Your other side, this wire is way thicker. Wrap it up tight. We don't want any moisture getting in there. Alright, now we're going to take our brand new jar of liquid tape, electrical, brush on insulation. I don't speak Spanish. This stuff is messy, messy, messy. Don't get it on you. You don't need to use as much as I just used. And let that sit right there. And dry. But as far as us, we can go ahead and test it. There's our fuel gauge. Turn our key on. It's working. Got a little over half a tank, according to that. All right. All right. So that's how you install a fuel sending unit. If you can, use connectors, use butt connectors. I've got butt connectors. I was getting in a hurry. The plug set me behind. I'm trying to hurry up and get this stuff done so we can leave tomorrow. Whenever I get back from my trip, I'll go back through it and make sure everything's right. So if you're out on the water, out in the woods, and you got to fix something like that, it's pretty simple. Twist your wires together, tape them up. You can get by. I would suggest using electrical connectors, butt connectors, plugs. That's always better than just twisting and taping. Right now, it's a quick fix. It gets me out on the water. It gets me to my camping trip. It gets me back on schedule. This boat should have been done a week or so ago. We had rain. I was busy. Had to work. I've got all kinds of excuses, and if you want to listen, I'll tell you, but I'm sure you don't want to listen, so it's done. It works. Got a few other things to do, be other little quick videos, trying to get some content up before I leave. If you follow me on Outdoors with Pawpaw, you'll get to see the trip, you'll get to see the fishing, you'll get to see the cooking, the camping, the fun, the fellowship with family. You'll get to see all of it. So for right now, this video is done. So y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.